Tiniyak ni Nonito Donaire Jr. na hindi niya patatagalin ang bakbakan nila ng undefeated na katunggali sa linggo, oras sa Pilipinas. Balita hatid ni Mav Gonzalez.
Kumpiyansa si Nonito Donaire Jr. na siya pa rin ang tatanghaling WBO Junior Featherweight Champion sa laban nila ng Amerikanong si Jesse Magdaleno. Sa media workout sa top-ranked gym sa Las Vegas, sinabi ng The Filipino Flash na hindi tatagal ang laban kahit pa undefeated si Magdaleno.
You can try it. You can try to neutralize something that you haven't seen before. You can try to neutralize the left hook. Let's see what happens. Because I will break bones.
Maagang regalo naman daw kay Magdaleno kung manalo siya dahil kaarawan niya 3 araw pagkatapos ng laban.
When I get into training camp, I redo myself all over again. If the knockout comes early, we'll take full advantage of it because everybody knows I pack a punch.
Sa lahat ng mga Pilipino, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa lahat ng mga supportang binigay niyo sa akin at kay Manny Pacquiao. At saka ito yung pinakamalaking boxing fight na kami at saka si Manny lalaban sa isang card. So sana mag-enjoy po kayo.
Pangako naman ni reigning WBO welterweight champion Jesse Vargas, magiging exciting ang bakbakan nila ni Manny Pacquiao.
You're gonna see toe-to-toe action. You're gonna see a little bit of everything. The power was already there. We increased the speed. I made sure that was something we focused on in this training camp.
Si Vargas na naging undercard sa Pacquiao-Algieri fight noong 2014, masayang-masaya raw na makaharap ang pambansang kamao.
I always had that in the back of my mind. I want to fight Manny Pacquiao. And it was a nice experience for me. It was a good way for me to prepare to be on the big stage.
Manny's not the champion. Manny's the challenger in this fight. We're fighters. There will be no running. We're not here to run from anyone.
And as far as the Filipino people are concerned, the idea that their two most prominent fighters fighting on the same card is something special.
Nasa 20,000 ang seating capacity ng Thomas and Mack Center at inaasahan na pagdating ng Sabado ay sold out na lahat ng tickets. Hindi lang kasi isa, hindi dalawa kundi 4 na world title fights ang aabangan dito sa Las Vegas. Maghaharap din sina Oscar Valdez at Hiroshige Osawa sa WBO Featherweight Division. Ang bakanting WBO Flyweight title naman ang paglalabanan ni Zhao Shiming at Prasitsak Papoem sa undercards. Mula rito sa Las Vegas, Nevada, Mav Gonzalez, GMA News.